Can you put a memory foam mattress on slats? If you're considering a new bed setup and wondering if you can put a memory foam mattress on slats, you're not alone. Many people have this question, and the answer is yes, but there are some important details to keep in mind. First, let's talk about the type of slats. Memory foam mattresses work well on both solid and sprung slats. Solid slats are rigid wooden planks that span the width of the bed frame, while sprung slats are more flexible and made from materials like laminated wood. These sprung slats provide a subtle springiness and a softer feel compared to solid slats. The spacing between the slats is crucial. The gap should not be too wide, as this can cause the mattress to sag and lose its shape. Generally, the slats should be no more than 3 inches (7.5 centimeters) apart. If the slats are wider than this, you can place a plywood board or a bunkie board on top of the slats to create an even surface. Don't forget to drill holes in the plywood for ventilation. The material of the slats also matters. Slats made of solid wood or metal are better than those made of weaker materials like particle board. This ensures the mattress gets the support it needs and prevents sagging over time. Another thing to consider is the condition of the slats. Make sure they are free from cracks, splits, or signs of wear. Also, check for splinters or rough spots and ensure the wood is dry to avoid any moisture issues. Ventilation is another key factor. Slatted bed bases allow for good air circulation under the mattress, which helps prevent moisture buildup. This is especially important for memory foam mattresses, which can retain heat and moisture if not properly ventilated. If you're worried about the mattress sliding on the slats, you can place a breathable blanket or a mattress pad on top of the slats. This not only prevents sliding, but also protects the mattress from splinters and damage. When it comes to adjustable bed bases, memory foam mattresses are generally compatible because they are flexible and can conform to the shape of the base. However, make sure the mattress is long enough to fit the adjustable base properly, as standard mattresses might be too short. Finally, always check the warranty terms and recommendations from the mattress manufacturer. Using a memory foam mattress on an unsuitable bed base could invalidate its warranty or guarantee. So, to sum it up, you can definitely put a memory foam mattress on slats, but make sure the slats are close enough, made of sturdy material, and provide good ventilation. With the right setup, you'll enjoy a comfortable and supportive sleep surface.